Hello students, welcome class 1 to your e-learning computer class. I hope you all have watched your previous class. Previous class we discussed till page number 57. Let's check this part completed. Name the following tools in Paint. Name the following tools in Paint. This part, this portion completed. This is line tool, this is rectangle tool, and this is oval tool. This much we have completed in previous class. Today I will discuss from filling color in the picture. Suppose you have drawn a circle using the oval tool. You have drawn a circle and you want to fill color this circle. You want to fill this circle with red in color. You want to fill this circle with red. So how to fill it with color? Today I will discuss this thing, filling color in the picture. First you have to click, if you want to draw, if you want to something, use the tools, you have to click the home tab. In under of the home tab, there is a shapes group. There are oval tool is there. In under of the shapes group, there is oval tool. You just click the oval tool and from the shapes group. If you want to draw a circle, you have to choose the oval tool from the shapes group. And if you want to draw a square or you want to draw a rectangle, you have to choose the rectangle tool. Using the rectangle tool, you can draw a rectangle as well as a square also. Using this tool, you can draw, okay, in the drawing area. Then after drawing this, suppose you want to draw a circle. After drawing this circle, you want to fill this circle with red color, okay. You have to choose the fill with color tool from the tools group. From the tools group, it is also in under of the home tab. From the tools group, you have to choose the fill with color tool. What is the name of the tool? Fill with this type of shape is there. This is called fill with color tool. You have to choose this tool from the tools group. After choosing this one, you have to bring the pointer. You just choose this tool from the, if you want to fill color any closed object. Closed object means there is no gap. If in your picture is any gap is there, you cannot apply fill with color tool, okay, because when we apply the fill with color tool, that object should be closed. There's no gap should be there, okay, no gap. So in the closed shape, if you want to fill color, choose fill with color tool and then which color you want to apply. Choose that particular color. Suppose you want to apply the red color. Choose the red color from the colors group. From the colors group, you just choose the color. Desired color you choose and then bring the pointer. Bring this one to the inside the shape. Bring the pointer inside the shape and then left mouse button click. When you click the left mouse button, and then you can see this will be red in color, okay. If you want to choose that yellow color, it should be yellow. That depends on you. And then you can see this is a red color circle. From the colors group, select the color what you want and then now click the left mouse button inside and if you want to draw a rectangle inside, if you want to draw a rectangle, you can draw a rectangle also inside. And if you want to color this one green, you can do this one also. It should be red color and then if you want to color this one in red, if you want to red this one green in color, you can do this one green. inside the circle, if you want to draw a rectangle, you can draw a rectangle also. Okay, so using the oval tool you can draw a circle, and using the rectangle tool inside you can draw a rectangle also. And if you want to color this one red, you can color this red, and this color if you want to another color, if you want to apply, then choose another color and use the fill with color tool and click over here. Then it should be that particular which one you have chosen. You can see this color here also. Okay, now erasing a drawing. After drawing, if you feel that you want to rub something, and generally when we draw we need the eraser to rub the unwanted part. Here also you want to apply, you can apply eraser tool. Eraser tool is present in the tools group. Eraser tool is present in tools group. It is also in under of the home tab. Eraser tool from the tools group. Choose any size. Choose any size the eraser by clicking on the size button. By clicking on the size button, you can choose the size of the eraser, and then if you want to erase this part, you can erase, you can apply the eraser tool, and you can using the eraser tool choose the eraser tool from the tools group, and then bring the pointer where which portion, which part you want to erase, and then click the left mouse button and drag it. Click the left mouse button and drag it, then you can erase the unwanted part which one you want to delete. And square will appear in the drawing area. When you choose the eraser tool, you can see they have chosen this type of square will come. This is the eraser. By clicking the left mouse button, click the left mouse button and drag it, and you can rub the portion. Okay, and take a mouse pointer to the area from where you would like to erase the drawing. Hold down the left mouse button and move it on the area. I already told you, hold down the left mouse button and move it to the drawing area which portion you want to erase. Okay, and start erasing the unwanted area of the, when you drag it, if you drag the mouse on the mouse pad, on that respect you can see the pointer will move on the screen and that portion will be erased. Now selecting the brush tool. Now the brush tool, this is the brush tool. Beside the tools there is a pencil tool, eraser tool, fill with color tool, text tool. Beside that there is a brushes tool. Brushes tool. This is the brushes. This is the brush tool. When you click the brush tool, you can see under of this brush tool many brushes will appear. Many sizes brushes. You can choose any brush from there. Okay, click the brush tool from the tools group. From the tools group there is a brush tool. You just click the brush tool, select any brush type from the options, and then you can see when you click the brush tool, when you click over here, you can see there are many options will be there. Many options will be there. You can choose any brush option from there and select any color from the colors group, and then brushes color, you can choose the color from the colors group. Move the pointer to the drawing area, then move the pointer on the drawing area. Using this brushes you can draw this type of picture. Press and hold down the left mouse button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the draw different lines. Using the different lines, using these brushes, drawing the hills, shans, and then she also, the river also. Okay, if you have computer in your home, you all will apply all this tool, okay, and draw this picture. Next class I will discuss the book exercise. For today this much. You all will read this chapter, and who have computer in your home, they will practice, because this is a practical related chapter. You have to practice in your home. Try to apply all the tools. Okay, for today this much. See you next class. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Next class I will discuss book exercise. Okay.